Yeah, welcome to Point to Point channel. So, as part of Java 8 series, today I will discuss about the differences between map method and flat map method. Right. So, yeah. So, without wasting time, let's jump into the coding part. Yeah. So, for demonstration purpose, I have some list of catalogs here. If you see, I have the first catalog, grocery catalog, in which I have a catalog name and some list of products. Similarly, one more catalog, electronics catalog. In a similar way, I do have some other list of products related to electronics catalog. So let me show you what is there within the catalog. Catalog is a POSO. Okay, here if you see catalog ID, sorry, so catalog has ID and some list of strings, so products, right? So now, um, see, I have a list of catalogs, as list of grocery and this electronics, right? So now, let's try to use first with the map method. Okay, so here, uh, see, my intention is to print all the products of all catalogs. Okay, so first let me try this particular requirement using a map method. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, okay, catalog list, okay, dot stream, okay, stream. So now we have a stream in our hand, right? Now with the help of the stream, now what I'm going to do, okay, um, dot map, okay, map. So C, okay, C dot get products, C dot get products. So usually map method function interface. Obviously, we need to provide a implementation to the function interface. So I'm just providing a implementation using a lambda expression, right? So C, a lambda expression, C dot get products, right? So so dot collect of collectors dot to list, right? So now what it returns. So it returns basically list of string, right? So why? Because the first list represents list of catalogs. Why? Because this particular stream just returns a list of catalog, right, up to here. So up to here, see, up to here, this stream represents a list of catalog. Now, what we are doing within the map, we are taking each catalog, and from that each catalog, we are, converting to, products. That means we are interested to have a list of products for each catalog. So by that way, finally, we get a list of strings. So that's what let me write the return type also here. So list of, okay, again list of string. Okay, so here if you see string, okay, let me give some name, for example products. Okay, so let me close this. Yeah, we are good. Okay, so now let me print, okay, products, okay, dot for each, okay, so uh, okay, sorry, uh, for products. Okay, again we need to use the stream. So for now what I'm doing, I'm just passing this to some system, no, system.out.println. Okay, so now let me show you, let me run this program. Okay, so now we will get two lists, list one and list two. List one consists of a on what you say products, and again list two consists of a product. So something like this. Here if you see, this is the first list. Okay, so let me highlight. So this is the first list of products, and again the second one is the second list of products. So the first list of products belongs to a catalog one, and second list of products belongs to a catalog two. So by that way, finally we have got a list of string, right? So this is what we have achieved with the help of map method. But this is not our requirement, right? Our requirement is to print only a list of products. That means list of string only. That means I don't want to have a output something like this. I want to have a output, all products. That means product one, comma product two, comma product three, comma product four, or something like that. Right, straight away, like in the form of list of string. I don't want this list of string. Okay. So if that is the requirement, okay. So let me copy this. Yeah. So products, let me give some other name, flat map. Okay, some name I am giving. Okay, so products flat map. Okay, so let me pass this products flat map. Okay, so here what we need to do, instead of using map, now I am going to use flat map. Okay, so in this flat map, um, yeah, small correction. So yeah, so till now we have got, a list of string, right? So then we need to use, in addition to map, we need to use one more method, that is flat map. So flat map. Okay, so in the flat map, what I'm going to do, so this particular piece, okay, let me highlight. Okay, so this particular piece, what it returns, so basically, what do you say, this particular map method, represents a list of string, right? So that means this one. So what I'm saying is, um, so once you invoke this map method catalog.getProducts, okay, so basically, uh, you will have a, list of string, right? So that means you can have a, you can treat, list of generic type. What is the generic type? List of string, right? So now that list of string, we need to we need to do a flattening operation on this particular generic type, that is nothing but a list of string, right? So now, how to do that flattening operation? So, obviously map and flat map both expects a function as an argument. So now, you know so let's assume, okay, I'm saying, uh, l. Okay, l means, l represents this entire thing, list of string. So l represents this list of string. Why? Because obviously this map method returns a list of string, right? So list of, what you say, generic type. Here generic type is list of string. So here l represents internal generic type, that is a list of string. Now, so what I'm going to do, l dot stream. Okay, l dot stream. So, why I invoked stream, in the sense, um, if you invoke the stream method, okay, that means internally we are converting, that generic element which is of type list of string to a stream. So that stream, that stream you are passing to this flat map. Okay, so by that way, finally you will get only list of string. Okay, so whenever you pass, this particular function, by invoking this type of stream method, then you, I mean, obviously here if you see, your method will become something like this. See, error is gone. So let me print this. So meanwhile, I will, let me repeat this. Okay, so, this particular map method, returns list of string. Okay, so then, see, you have got all the products, right? This is what our final output, right? So here what I'm saying is, so this particular list of string, okay, so it is kind of a generic type. So for example, list of string, list of employees, list of products, list of catalog. So internally, whatever this product, catalog, employees, all are kind of a generic type. That is list of T, right? So here in our case, list of string is a generic type. So that generic type we need to take. Why? Because flat map also expects a function. So now I'm just passing this L as a that generic type. Now on that generic type, I'm invoking a stream method. So that means, end of the day function interface, you will pass one input and you will get an output. So that output, finally you got a stream. That one you are passing, finally So such kind of implementation you pass it to this flat map, right? Then finally you will get a list of string. So by that way you have got a list of string, right? So this is one example, the difference between the map and flat map. Let me show you one more example. Um, so for example, list of, okay, string, okay, string, let me say words, okay, so list dot of, okay, so let me say hello, okay, um, world, okay, um, so what I'm going to do, words dot stream, okay, stream dot, okay, so dot, what I'm going to do, straight away I will invoke, I know, see why? Because words dot stream, in the sense, basically you will get a list of string only, right? So here there is no complexity. I basically have a list of string. Words dot stream also returns a list of string. Now within the flat map, what I'm going to do, take each word, okay, then word dot get, no, get cats, okay, so basically get cats returns a int stream, right? So int stream, so that means integer 1 comma integer 2 or something like that. Now what I'm going to do, dot uh, uh, get cats, I guess not get cats, one second, word dot yeah, yeah, I guess word dot cats, yes, chars dot map, yeah, map to obj. So that means this particular chars method basically it returns a int stream. Here if you see, basically it returns a int stream, right? So now we are taking that int stream again. I am invoking map to obj method. You know why I am invoking map to obj method? My intention is to convert each integer to a character, right? So here what I am going to do um, so here if you see, so ch, so for example something like this, okay, so I need to do typecast, okay, ch, something like this, okay, so dot collect, okay, so let me remove the no duplicate elements also, okay, so dot collect of collectors dot to list, okay, let me print here itself, okay, okay, so dot distinct dot collect of two list, okay, everything is looking good, okay, dot for each, okay, then what's the error here, okay, here it is showing some error, mm, okay, let me see the reference here, oh sorry, I need to make it as a small c, yeah, see error is gone, okay, oh, error is still there, yeah, error is gone, let me run this. Yeah, so see here, if you see, we have got output. Okay, so here we have got only the unique elements. That means only unique characters. We just eliminated the duplicate characters also, right? So I hope it is clear. So in this case, what I want to say here is, straight away I have used the flat map. Okay, in the previous example, we have used map and flat map. Okay, now in this case, we have used the flat map. So here also in this flat map also I just passed a function implementation. So finally, if you observe, I mean, we just have taken some input and finally we just returned a in stream itself. So initially this chars method returns a into stream. Now finally we invoked map to busy method that returns a char string, right? So then we invoke a district method, something like this. Now let me show you one more final example. Okay, so here let me copy this. Yeah, so I have three POJOs. Okay, so let me show you. The first POJO is country. So in this one, I have a list of states. Okay, again, if you see in the state, I have a list of districts. Again, if you see, each district has a list of cities. Okay, so city has name. So something like this. So now accordingly, I have prepared the input. Okay, the finally I just prepared one country object, right? So now our final requirement is to print all the city names of that particular country, right? So in this case, the expected output is city1 comma city2 comma city3, right? So for that, what we need to do, okay, take country dot, okay. So what we need to do, country dot. So here get states, okay, get states dot stream, okay, dot stream. So let me show you first dot collect of collectors dot to list. Okay, so I will show you step by step. So basically what we get, okay, with this output list of state, right? Obviously, so list of state, okay, states, something like this, right? Which makes sense, right? So here so let me print also, so that you will you will get a good understanding. Okay, since I am printing, okay, 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 better I will print something like this. What I will do, state, yeah. So yeah, so let me print this. So obviously we get the states, nothing, I mean, we haven't done anything. So so country dot get states dot stream, okay. Finally I invoked a terminal operation. So finally we got a list of states, right? Here if you see, we have got state 1 and similarly state 2 information, something like this, here if you see. But this is not our final goal, right? So what I'm going to do slowly, so I'm going to invoke map method. So in this map method, what I'm going to do, state, okay, state, so using lambda expression, state dot get districts, right? Get districts. So why it is giving this error? Okay, so here what I'm trying to say is, finally you will get list of district, right? So that's why it is showing the error. So what I'm going to do, list of, okay, list of, change from state to district. See, error is gone, right? So if you run this, what you will see, you will get list of district. Okay, so let me run this. um, yeah, see, you have got district 1 and internally cities information, similarly district 2, right? So, but with the help of flatMap method, easily we can convert a list of district to list of district, right? So now I am changing this method to flatMap. Okay, flatMap. Here, simply you need to invoke dot stream. That's what we discussed in our previous example, right? Why? Because in the flatMap also expect a function, but in the function input is a whatever your generic type, and finally you need to convert to some stream, right? So here why it is showing error, obviously it returns a what do you say, it returns a only straight away list of district, right? Not list of district, right? See, error is gone. So if I run this, so now you will get only list of districts. See, you can see this. See, straight away you have got list of districts itself, right? So now um, now again, if I do one more time map operation, so district, okay, district. So what I'm going to do, district dot get cities, okay. So why it is showing error? Very simple. It returns a list of cities, right? So for example, if I change list of, okay, so for example, if I change from district to city, okay, so here, see, error is gone. So basically what it, I mean, here if I run this, you will get list of cities. Why? Because this flat map returns a list of districts, but on with on top of that, again I'm invoking a normal map method. Normal map method I'm trying to convert to district.get cities. So obviously it will return list of cities, right? So here if you see list of cities, right? So to overcome this one, again we need to use one more time flat map. So obviously I need to convert to stream. Okay, here you can remove this. Okay, you can remove this, something like this. So straight away now list of cities, right? So see, slowly I'm building, step by step to towards our final output. Okay, so here if you see, uh, you will see only list of city, right? So but our requirement is to print city names, right? Not list of cities, right? So for that, now I'm going to use map method. Okay, city. Okay, city. So city dot get name. Okay, now why it is showing this error? Obviously, it returns a list of string, right? Why? Because I just converted to get name, right? So here, what I need to do? I need to change something like this, right? See, error is gone. See, so now let's print this. Now finally, you will see the output city1 comma city2 comma city3, right? So here you can see this output. Yeah, see. So no, so this is how we need to use map and flat map. So I hope concept is clear. So when we need to use a map and when we need to use the flat map. So basically, in our real time scenarios, most of the times we do have a number of pozos. Okay, where pozo one has a nested pozo, one more pozo. That pozo has one more pozo or something like that. So if at all you want to have a you know the innermost poses elements, then you need to take the help of flat map method. So if whenever you invoke a flat map, basically you are compressing that or you are flattening that inner generic type to a normal what you say uh, 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 normal elements. So for example, list of string to list of string, something like that. Okay, so yeah, I hope the concept is clear. So if you really like my video, please like it, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.